Hi, my friends. Welcome to Auntie Knows. It's not Auntie Knows Kitchen because I'm not in that kitchen. The video I'm sharing with you today is I'm preparing to make a cake. I'm not going to tell you what kind of cake because that's in my next video. But this is how I prepare to make my cakes. So hold on a moment. I come out here and I go through my cake pan tote. It's a large tote and has all my cake pans, my specialty cake pans. So this will be a layer cake. So I'm going to grab my two 9-inch. These are 9-inch by 3-inch. I have 8 inches. I don't know if I want to, not sure. I may grab the 8-inch. I think I'm going to grab the 8-inch. Yeah, I think I'm going to grab the 8-inch. Yeah, I think I'm going to grab the 8 inches. How about that? Yeah, I think I'm going to grab the 8 inches of that. Do 8-inch. Yeah, I think I'm going to do the 8-inch. Yeah. So then we'll move on to my next tote. This is where I keep all my boards, my parchment papers, with liners. So I don't have 8-inch liners, so I just use my 9 inches. So I'll grab 2 of these. 1, 2. Throw those over there. And I'm gonna finish it off with I'm gonna do just a small piping. So I'm gonna grab my piping box with my piping tips in it. And I think it's got like 2 bags in it, so I don't need to grab bags. So hold on a minute. Forgot I needed my turntable. I already have I keep one single cake pan in the house. I need my turntable. For my icing, I have cake racks already in there. These are my parchment liners. I order all my parchment liners from Amazon. All my parchment liners come from Amazon because it's cheaper than going to my bakery store. And if you do hamburger patties in advance, get you some of these. Just separate them. They're really great. Hold on. I needed a board. I used 10-inch boards. Even on my 8-inch, I use 10-inch boards. Put that over there. Everything has its place. Okay, these are where my bear with me. These are my, what do you call them? My mats. I don't really use them for making, sometimes I use them, sometimes I don't. But I need it later on today because something my daughter wants. These are my piping bags, but since my tips, I already have them. I've been baking for years. Here are all my little tools. Some of them are new. Because when Hobby Lobby have a half-off sale, I'm there like a child in Toy Story. I buy them. I get it. Okay, I need this bag because this is how, get my spreader. And, this came with something. It was in the box. I don't even know what it is. But I need my cake lifter. Need my cake lifter. Okay, this is my cake cutter. Like when your cake have what do you call it? When you bake them, if they come with a small mound, I use this to cut the mound. These are my cake levelers, so I need those. And that's all I need out of here. It depends on how my hand starts feeling if I will use this or not. Because this is kind of hard to squeeze for me. So this is one of them Hobby Lobby things. So guys, this is what I do when I get ready to start going into my baking thing. Hold on. So this is what I do. And I'm ready to get started on my cake. See, I got my cake apron on. Look, I saw this on Amazon and I just had to have it because it has the little furry pockets. And I just love these little furry pockets on them. Can you see them? Look at that. These are just too cute little furry pockets. I love them, love them, love them. So anyway, back to what I was saying, what Auntie was saying. This is how I get ready to go into my baking. Cooking has always been a hobby. I don't cook to make money because it becomes a job. And once my hobby become a job, I start hating it. I know me. As long as it's a hobby, I enjoy it. I always keep a smile on my face because I'm putting a smile on other people's faces. So give me a moment and so I can get started on my next upload. We're going to get started on baking a cake today. Okay? Bye.